I actually love this story a lot. He wrote this song called The Single Petal of a Rose. I'm going to do a very short version of it. But he wrote it for Queen Elizabeth. He made a recording of this and made one copy of it and gave it to her and said, nobody can listen to this until after I have demised. So luckily for us, he demised. And it's on the Queen's suite. But to tell you what a flirt Duke was, they're in the receiving line, and Queen Elizabeth says, "Oh, this is your first trip to England, is it?" That's good imitation, right? And he said, "Well, no, I actually was here in the late 1930s before you were born." And he knew full well that the year that he had been there, Queen Elizabeth was already a teenager, but that's how hard he was working it. So you go, Duke. So here is The Single Petal of a Rose going into Duke Ellington's Sound of Love.
I was young and carefree, not a song had found my soul, lost in blues, jazz and ragtime. No sound had got to my mood. I was searching for a melody, love blues that gets me through. All alone, sad clown with his circus closed down, lost on my merry-go-round, came a melody in my heart, so yearning, taught me to hear music of love from the soul. For this life we all live infinite, with the lover and beloved as one Ellington sound of love. infinite with a lover and beloved as one Ellington sound.